What's good, YouTube? We back. Another video. We finally outside in the car today. Still ain't got the back wheels on, but right now we on a quick little O'Reilly's run. I gotta grab some bulbs for this thing, 'cause I'm swapping everything to LED. So right now we're in the car on our way over to O'Reilly's to pick those up. We got all the trim done on the car. That's good. We actually gonna get it the 5th of August. We gotta drop it off so we can get the rear end shortened, man. I don't know, I drew a blank there for a second, but yeah, 5th of August we getting the rear end shortened, and he's talking about 3 to 4 weeks before I have my car back. But man, this shop do good work, so I'm gonna take it out there. I'm actually not gonna drive it. I'm gonna have it towed because I'm gonna leave the front wheels on it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then just take them the back wheels so they can, when I pick it up, it'll be on all the wheels. So he's like, we'll get that on for you. We also got new coil springs for the back because, man, like I said, we're trying to get everything good. And we did a constant rate spring, not a variable rate spring. That way it ain't, we just gonna have that same height the whole time. So definitely do that. And then we're gonna keep grinding on it, man. Like I said, we got the steering wheel installed last time. So much other little stuff we gotta do to the car. Got all the felt sweeps on order. We gotta get those. We still gotta change out the door seals. I actually have the door seals. I just been too lazy to put the door seals on, so I need to get that shot for y'all, man. It's actually not too hard. I just hate dealing with all that glue that they put on these cars from the factory. So anyway, right now we're finna eat up this highway, man, and make it over here, pick up these bulbs from O'Reilly's, and cut y'all back on once we get there. See, man, got the new steering wheel in. Wrapped it in that new leather, so that working out, man. It's crazy, man. I live so far outside of town, man. It's like I live in the last street in my city, well, the last neighborhood technically in my city, but the next city is actually closer to go to than the one I live in. So yeah, it's one of them weird situations, but you know, we can't complain. We can just, you know, do what we came to do. Hit O'Reilly's, man. Get this thing in here, man. Let's see if we can get it parked. I still ain't really did finish getting that front done, but I mean, it's a lot better than what it was, so I need to finish that too. Actually, doesn't rub that bad, honestly, so I don't really worry about it. Y'all can hear it rub just a little bit, but I need to finish clearing it, but I ain't too much worried about it. Anyway, let's get off of here and get these bulbs. Oh God. See it, just left the front wheels on it. Still got stocks on the back. That's what we're gonna do with it. Let me grab these bulbs, we'll get back out here. Got the bulbs, man. We said, I'm really just trying to change my trunk lights out, but they said it's a 1003 bulb, but the 1156 will fit. So we're gonna go home and see. If not, he said I can bring them back if I open it up and don't like it, so, or they don't fit. But you know, I said I don't really do too much, you know, trust in parts people, but you know, it is what it is. I ain't got no choice at this point. Also, man, if anybody know how to fix this, man, let me know. I got this one starting to pop up a little bit, and that one in the corner starting to pop up just a little bit. So y'all let me know if y'all know how to fix that an easy way, man. I done tried to stick some crazy like sticky tape on there and it just comes off, so we need something good on there. Anyway, man, I'm finna eat up the highway back to the house, and then try to throw this little quick bulb in here and see if it'll fit. If not, it's going right back to the stove. So yeah, we're gonna check y'all once we get back to the house. Y'all see it, man. We back at home. Got this thing in the garage. I'm getting pretty damn good at backing this thing in this garage and getting it just lined up with that post, man. That way I can still put my Escalade on that side. And as y'all see, I'm actually cleaning all this out because, you know, it can't rain forever, man. That's the new thing I'm living with, the new motto I'm going by, and all this gotta go. The weight bench has gotta go because I'm putting something in this spot real soon, really soon. So I'm putting something actually in this spot, and I may leave the Escalade outside and put something in that spot as well. So definitely, man, we got a lot of stuff going on the channel and a lot of stuff coming, and a lot of life changes for me, my family, that I want to take y'all on with during this whole process, man. So we definitely gonna open it up more and bring y'all more into my family life, more into, you know, what we do on a regular basis, man, between, you know, like I said, the car stuff, the real estate stuff, just so much, man, that we do together as a unit, man. But we're gonna change out this bulb in the trunk. I want y'all to know for certain one thing that's coming back to the channel. We bringing another coupe to the channel. I got the sedan. I gotta have a coupe to go with the sedan. And it's gotta be 77, 78, 79. It's gotta be one of those three. I don't like the 1980 coupe. It's not really my thing. So it's gonna be one of them three, and it's gonna be super clean because I'm not doing just building it crazy anymore. I'm definitely going when I get it. So the guy I sold my wife into, he hit me up and let me know he had a hiccup, but it wasn't my fault, you know, nothing we done to it because he's had the car for a while. But he was like, the timing gear broke on it. And I guess those gears had nylon timing gears. So that gonna be when I get one, it's gonna be one of the first things I change is go to a steel timing gears. That way I don't have to worry about it. He said, you know, he caught his, you know, early. He got it home, tried to start the next day, I guess, and it spun and broke off. So yeah, he said he got it back together and everything is right. So yeah, but like I said, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna definitely get, there's some, probably, today is, what is today? The 28th maybe? I think something, I don't know. Today's 27th, 28th, one of them days. I get my days all mixed up. But August, I wanna say 1st or 2nd, there'll be something in this spot, man. We're gonna take y'all on the process of picking it up. I already paid the money for it. So y'all know it's gonna be right here soon. And we're gonna get that going while this is going. And I'm just gonna enjoy my life and do what I love doing, and building these old cars, spending time with my wife and kids, man, making memories. Because you only get a short time to do it, so I'm gonna do it to the fullest for this short time. So anyway, let's get these bulbs in real quick. And I'm just replacing this little bulb here, man. I don't like the old incandescent or whatever they call it, man. I just want a LED in there, that way it'll look a lot better. So hopefully it didn't get hot as hell while I was flapping my gums. So we'll try to, there it is. Oh, God. Damn. Got it turned, but it ain't want to come out. So anyway, I'm finna get this bulb in here and cut y'all back on in a minute. We got it swapped out. Y'all see, man, that thing was kind of harder to get out than I expected. So, you know, it didn't go the way I wanted, but I got it in there, man. Y'all check it out. I still think that's one of the coolest options on these cars. The power trunk cinch is crazy, but it still works, which is a plus. So anyway, y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. We're gonna keep dropping these videos. This one right here, man, is special to me. So it's gonna be, like I told y'all, this one's going to the Rick Ross Car Show next year. And I fully expect, if I don't win, like I said, I know these dudes spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on their cars, but I better get, it's gonna turn some heads, because it's gonna be the simplest, cleanest, to the point Cadillac the way it's supposed to be. None of that over the top crazy stuff. So yeah, man. Anyway, finna end this video, man. We're gonna see y'all on the next one. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate the support. The channel been growing. All the positive comments, the negative ones, all that stuff, man. It's great. See y'all in the next video.